Morning, my dear students. All of you get ready for the EVS class. I am Kavita, your EVS teacher. Today onwards, we are going to study the second term syllabus. In that one, first we go through the block 13. See, before starting the lesson, I ask you some questions. In your home, who cleans your home? Where you throw biscuit packets of the cover, packet of the cover, all of the packed things where you throw. Today we are going to study the lesson keeping surrounding clean. In that one, the topic is need of surrounding clean and the ways to keep surrounding clean. The aim of the lesson is you will be able to explain the importance of keeping surrounding clean and you will be able to recommend ways to keep surrounding clean. Before starting the lesson, the necessary things you keep with you. Get ready with these things. They are notebook, pen, exit content book, page number 81, workbook, page number 25 and page number 26. The keywords of the lesson are waste, garbage, dirty, mopped, dust. You write in your notebook, okay? Next. See, here is a one packed pen. After using it, is this packing any use for me or any use for you? What should I do it now? What are such things called which are of no use to us? Things which are of no use for us and can be thrown away are called waste or garbage. Such things be thrown in dustbins or trash bins. So, why should we throw waste in dustbin? Today we are going to listen a story of city called Surat. What happened? They are not throw the waste in a dustbin. They throw in road. What happened? I will explain you. Okay, in the story. Open your content book of page number 82. All of you open. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you open. Okay. In that one, you see paragraph 1 of page number 81. That is block number 13, keeping surroundings clean. You follow, listen and follow me, okay? This story is about a city in our country, India. Some years back, people used to throw waste here and there on roads, in open grounds, and even in water bodies in the city. The waste kept lying at places for many days. There were puddles of dirty water all over. No one picked up the waste or cleared the puddles. Puddles means dirty water collected in one one there one side. Puddle means small pool of water on ground. Dirty water all over. No one picked up the waste and or cleared the puddles. Soon the city was attacked by a disease. Disease means an illness called plague, which is caused by rats. It killed almost 200 people. The people and the government were forced to take steps to clean the city. Today it is a beautiful and clean city. All of you understood? Okay. Was Surat a clean city or dirty city? What do you think happened in Surat? What do you think? In Surat, people dumped the garbage on the streets. Street means on the roads, on the streets. Puddles of dirty water also collected near the colonies and roads. Puddle means small pool of water on ground. This gave Surat a dirty look. Hmm. As a result, the garbage gave a bad smell. The garbage and puddles of water attracted by many animals like mosquitoes, rats. These animals would have caused illness. In the story, you listen. In the story, you know the disease is caused by rats. Which is the disease? The disease is plague. Okay. What happened due to garbage collected here and there? Okay. In kitchen water and bathroom water, where they go? See, in the bathroom water, kitchen water, they goes into a large drain. See, this is a drain. Here is a drain. Drain is there, no? The kitchen water, bathroom water goes into large drains. The drains carry this water outside the cities and towns. The garbage blocks. When the garbage blocks drains, when we flow, when we throw waste on the garbage, it stops the drain and can stop the flow of dirty water. This can overflow the drains. This can lead to dirty water collecting around our houses and colonies. So, we can keep surrounding clean and throw waste in the dustbin, not into the garbage, to avoid such situations. We need keep surrounding clean to avoid disease and stay healthy. Finally, what is the you learn what is the effect of waste in the Surat? Why we clean the surrounding clean? See, the effect of waste in Surat. It give a bad smell. It give dirty look to the city. Mosquitoes and rats attracted puddles of water. Okay. Next, what we do? What are the ways to do keep surrounding clean? Okay. See, in this picture, what are they doing? They are collecting the waste. Okay. They are collecting the waste. Only in your home also, you think in your home, who cleans your room? Who cleans in your home? How your mother keeps your home? Your mother mopped the your mother mopped daily, no? Your house is cleaned and mopped daily. From mopping, the dust is removed from the things in the house. We also spray medicine to get rid of mosquitoes. This keeps us healthy. Keeping around the surrounding clean is equally important to stay fit. And because dirty surrounding can cause many diseases even if our houses are clean. Only we keep our house, it is not important. The surrounding when clean, that time we stay healthy. So how we clean the surroundings? Okay, today we learn that one. Okay. First, what can we do? Throw the waste in dustbins. Some people are picking up the garbage. The people are sweepers paid by the government to clean the garbage. See, in these pictures, the people are cleans the drain. The people are collecting the garbage. See, they are spraying some medicines, mosquito medicines. These are the ways to keep our surrounding clean. One important thing, we should not spit on roads and walls. It is also makes surrounding dirty. So, we should keep our surrounding clean. Here, the government will cleanse the drain. The people are selected by governments. They cleanse the drain. They collect the garbage. They are spraying the mosquitoes. Understood? Finally, what can we do keeping surrounding clean? Throw waste in bins. Give waste to cleaning workers. Do not spit. Do not throw waste here and there.